This is Freddie with Plumbing Tree. We are located on the roof. Sorry, let me check the address again. Sorry about that. Roof of 6023 Malcolm Drive. And we're going to be doing a camera inspection from this cleanout, as well as another cleanout from this access point, which is the 3-inch roof vent, as well as 3-inch cleanout where it looks like an addition was done on the right side of the house. So going down the vent right now. Toilet line. Clean this off. It's another vent to probably a bathroom sink or shower, or both. Here's a toilet line coming in. There's a sweep. Looks like there's original cast iron pipe. The bottom of your pipe at the top left part of your screen. Let's see here. You can tell it's cast iron pipe because of the rusty, rugged surface. Go ahead and open up the cleanout that was right by the water heater, please. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. What we're looking for is valleys that are starting to form at the bottom, which basically is a sign of deterioration at the bottom of the pipe. Any sitting water. Just a little bit there, not too bad. You can definitely tell it's original pipe. In the top of the pipe, the bottom of the pipe, excuse me, is the bottom left of your screen. So it curves to the right. And there's a connection there, either a clean out or a tie-in for another line. Some buildup. Sitting water there. We're going to push out a little bit faster, go as far as we can here. Bottom of the pipe there. You get a hose and run some water from, probably try either one of the cleanouts. Let's see if we can get some water down the drain. Try to get some water down the drain and clear the lens here. I'm going to pause recording. Okay. Yeah, we we managed to run water. All this is going to be newer pipe. There's a cutout in the can you shut it off? There's a cutout in the driveway. Looks like a repair was done, most likely from the city, given the repairs in the driveways and in the street. So everything from this green pipe back, you see the water flowing on the top of the screen. This green pipe is definitely newer. It's SDR is the brand. And we have a connection here that's offset. You can see that black area, looks like a crescent moon at the top of the pipe. It's just settled. And then we're back to the original pipe. We're going to zero it out here so we can get a proper measurement. Some sitting water, a little bit of sitting water there, some buildup. Again, we're looking for any valleys, sitting water. Looks like that turn's kind of rough. Got some sitting water right there. 45-degree turn towards the house from the driveway. So there's the clean out. You can see how it changes different color pipe. And because it ties in on the left, it's hard to see here. If I can turn the camera over. On the left there's an opening. Right there you can see it. That's where the addition comes in. Just to make sure that the installation was done proper, we're going to run a camera from the clean out in the back, where the water heater is located. There's quite a bit of buildup here. But there isn't a clean out on this line here, so we're going to locate, recommend a clean out be installed. We're going to go about, here's a turn right there. We're going to locate probably right around here. We're going to pause recording, locate the spot. Alright, we located the spot. It's approximately 2 feet under, right by the walkway, on the left side of the house. I recommend a clean out installation for proper access and cleaning of the line. Looks, as I'm pulling back the cable, there's a lot of buildup, black, what we call kind of like sludge buildup. The reason for that buildup is because of the rust. It's a rugged surface, it's harder for the stuff to get out. So it looks like we went 40 feet out to the new line. Now we're coming up the vent. And since there's no proper clean out, it's hard to clean that line. It'll stop recording. Right now I'm still recording. We're going to move the camera over to the clean out down below. We're going to clean off our lens here a little bit. And just so you can see how much, that was a white rag, not anymore. So it's definitely just signs of just the line need to be maintained. Alright, we're going to pause recording and continue down below. Okay, we are now located on the right side of the home at 6023 Malcolm See the back here. The neighbor's lawn. There's a water heater. Looks like there was an addition done. You can see the cutout in the concrete. And there's a clean out right here. So it's only one direction. Unfortunately, I can't go inside the house on this one. But I'll get a good idea. See, make sure that this line is properly graded. Bottom of the pipe is the top right of your screen. Top of your screen now. It's a 3-inch ABS line. You can see the difference between the original cast iron and this newer plastic. And what we're going to look for here is make sure there's no roots, make sure there's no sitting water, make sure there's proper grade all the way to the connection of the original main. Here, I don't think I zeroed it out. I'm going to pull back real quick. Put that to 0 it out. Okay, yeah, we were 6 feet off. 0 there. So again, this is new 3-inch ABS plastic. The original line is most likely 4-inch cast iron, even though the vent was 3-inch. And so far so good. Again, we're just making sure you can see the path of the water it takes. Turns right here. Now we're going parallel to the front of the house towards the driveway. Another turn. That was 245s equaling a long 90. So far no buildup, just some spider webs. And the top of your screen at the bottom of the pipe at the bottom left of your screen. We're about 40 feet out. Every time you see this ring, it's a connection from one piece of pipe to another. Make sure those not our offsets. They look pretty good. It's going to be at least 60 feet long. Or close to 60 feet at least. And you see a connection coming up. Voila, 60 feet. Bottom of the pipe there. Not sure. Is that offset there? Oh, it says a. That's it. Now it's a reducer. It goes from 3-inch to 4-inch. Looks like. There's the clean out. And then there's the original cast iron connection there. Got a little bit of sitting water. Yeah, lighting looks good. Only recommendation we have is to put in a clean out at the front left of the property. But looks good. The cast iron itself is maintained properly. Should last at least a decade. Now we can't inspect the branch lines because of the access. So can't speak for those. Branch lines meaning bathroom sink line, tub line, kitchen line, laundry line. Unfortunately we can't get the camera down those. Feet left. And here you see the tie-in from the house coming in on the right. Coming in on the right, there's a little opening right there. Alright, we are all done. Thank you for your time.